In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily build a full website with Notion. We'll build a complete site using Notion's built-in templates, so you can launch fast without starting from a blank page. This approach is perfect for portfolios, simple business sites, or documentation hubs, and it all happens inside the same Notion workspace you already use. I'll keep things clear and practical, and along the way, I'll share tips to help you pick a layout that fits your goals and make it truly yours. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. You can do this from the sidebar with New Page, or from the workspace area if you see a prompt to add one. Give it a working title so you can find it later. You'll refine this name once your site takes shape. At the bottom of your fresh page, look for the Templates option. Clicking this opens Notion's template gallery, which includes professionally designed layouts. If the interface shows multiple tabs, choose the Templates or Marketplace section to view the full selection. Use the search bar and type website. This narrows the gallery to site-ready designs like landing pages, portfolios, and multi-page setups. If you're watching your budget, filter or visually scan for options marked free. Take a moment to skim previews so you understand the structure. Look for a clear hero section, simple navigation, and any built-in sub-pages, such as About or Contact. Browse and pick a free template that matches your use case. Portfolios are great for showcasing work, while documentation templates shine for guides and help centers. Click into a template's preview and scroll through to it to check the flow, the types of blocks it uses, and whether it feels easy to update over time. When you're confident, click Add to bring it into your workspace. Now, customize the template into your website. Replace placeholder headlines with concise, benefit-driven copy. Update images and icons to reflect your brand, and change the page cover if the design uses one. Tweak navigation links so they point to the sections or sub-pages you plan to keep. Use Notion's drag handles to reorder or remove blocks, and duplicate sections you want more of, like testimonials or FAQs. If the template includes databases for a blog or portfolio items, rename properties, adjust views, and replace sample entries with your content. Keep formatting consistent. Stick to a heading hierarchy, align spacing, and keep paragraphs scannable. As you edit, quickly test links and confirm that internal references connect correctly. Finally, narrow your browser windows to simulate mobile, making small layout tweaks so everything reads cleanly on smaller screens. And that's it. Create a new page, open templates, search website, choose a free design, add it, and tailor it to your brand. You now have a polished Notion website built the easy way.